Welcome to the first ever one-of-a-kind styling game show, Styles to Rock Roulette.
We might not be in a casino, लेकिन we assure you that this roulette is going to be equally exciting because we have everything we need on the line for styling here.
लेकिन ये game show है क्या? Wait, let us explain. So basically, we have a roulette over here, and every time we get a new challenge, we put those elements into an outfit.
Oh, so you mean ये wheel decide करेगा कि आज हम क्या style करने वाले हैं? That sounds tough, यार.
Tough का तो पता नहीं, but when it comes to styling, there is no limit. So let the game begin.
And the wheel has spoken. So today's challenge is all about flashback fashion. Okay, so this is going to be super fun. So everything we need is right here. So let's get started.
So here we are. I have paired up this really cool flannel shirt with a nice sweater and white flared pants and classic black boots. I think this reminds me of those old English TV shows. What do you think?
I was about to say that. You look like one of my favorite characters from my favorite TV show. Yeah.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing this puff sleeve top with leather pants and really cool sneakers with a sleek hair look. You know, I feel like a pop star from the 90s and I feel like doing a performance right here.
No.
Come on.
No. Let's not scare the audience. You're not doing that.
Alright.
That's it, guys. That was our version of flashback looks that Styles to Rock Roulette had picked for us. I think with creativity, we can win this game anytime. What do you think?
I think she's absolutely right. So you guys tell us which look you like the best. And watch out for the next episode of Styles to Rock Roulette. Until then, keep styling. Bye guys.
Welcome to Styles to Rock Roulette.
Let's get the style wheel spinning.
And the wheel has spoken.
So today's challenge is return to the disco era.
It's time to be bold, shiny, and all things disco. Let the creative juices flow because we're back with another styling challenge.
Let the roulette wheel decide what we will do. So without further ado,
Let it spin.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.